How's it going, everyone? Welcome to Code Rookie. My name is Omar, and for today's tutorial, we're going to talk about CSS Grid Layout. So the grid layout basically helps us organize and align everything on our website in a nice, neat, tidy way. And it's also flexible and responsive for mobile friendly. I don't know if you can hear the siren, but ignore that. So yeah, we'll start with the CSS because the CSS is where it's all at. This is my CSS file here. I labeled it grid.css. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, I guess that didn't help at all, but yeah, I labeled it grid.css, and I like to keep that separate from all my other CSS. Because this is something that you don't really tinker with that much. Now I have it all typed out already. To be honest, it's just copy paste. This is something that you will copy paste onto your documents because typing it out is a pain in the ass. So yeah, feel free to just pause it, type it all up. Once you type it up once, you don't need to type it up again. You'll see these comments here: change if needed, change if needed. This you can change and it will not disturb the functionality of this layout. For example, body max width 1200 pixels. If you want it to be, I don't know, 2000 pixels, that's fine. So yeah, I guess I'll just let you guys take some time to pause and type this all up. I'm hoping you got this down for now, so if not, just rewind the video. We go down here. This is the actual column width and everything like that. So I'll let you pause and type it all up. Again, I'm not really going to explain on Code Rookie. I just show you how to do it. Less talk, more action kind of thing. All right, so hopefully you guys got that down. Let's talk about the HTML itself. So here's the HTML. Let's go ahead and move that over here so we can see both. All right, so on our HTML, this is show you how this looks. And one thing I'm going to do actually here, you notice these two, outline and background color. Obviously, these can be completely deleted. The reason why I put it there is to visually show you how this looks, and you'll see in a moment what that means. So how do I actually implement this into my HTML? So what you always start out with is you'll always start with a div. Press tab, and it'll ask you for your class, and you're going to type row. Every row needs to have at least 12 columns. So what that means is you could have, and this will always be div. You always want to use div class, div class, div class. And let's see if you want the first row to be the header. So you have col, C-O-L, just like this, space 12. Because if you look here, col 12 takes up 100% of their page. And you don't really need all that space. Let's go ahead and make that look nicer. Boom. Save that. Let's see how that looks. Open. Boom. So that would be your header. And because the body's max width is set at 1200, that's why you get this gap here. If you didn't want that gap, that's why you can change this. Maybe, like I said, 2000. I have used 2000 on a recent project. And it takes up the whole screen size. So I actually kind of like this better, but some people like to have that kind of container look to it. So let's just leave it like this for now. So like I said, every row, and then you're going to start a new, this is 12. It's filled up. This row is filled up. You have to start a new row after every 12 columns. So let's do this one to show you. Maybe we can do, let's see. So maybe you want, so you have your header. Maybe you want like a some sort of left navigation menu right here with a bunch of text here. So maybe enough navigation menu, maybe it'll take up about, say, how many columns? Three columns, which means my math is really bad. So if you do 3, that means you'll need 9. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. So 9 plus 3 is 12. So, whoops, something happened. Oh, I forgot to do call. You have to make sure to do that. Boom. So you can have your left hand navigation here, which would kind of trickle down, and you have your text here. This spacing is due to the padding itself. Not this padding. Okay, actually, let's talk about that padding. This padding is for this up and down space. So if you want to change that, you want to be close to this, do 10. Actually, just to see a big difference, let's do 5. Oops, not 45, 5. And then it kind of gives you less space, depending on what look you're looking for. You know, everyone's different with move that they're looking for. All right. Oh, sorry. So this space right here is actually from this. I wouldn't recommend changing that because that will throw off all these percentages. So I will leave it as is. And let's see. White space is usually not a bad thing anyways. And then you can just keep on going. So that row is filled up with 12. So let's start a new row. And how about we make this, let's make this crazy. Let's do 3. And let's just do 3 all around. So that will be copy paste, 3, 6, 9, 12. That's 12 total. Go here, refresh. Oops, did I not save it? Sorry. Save. Oh, again, did the same mistake. Call. Do not make this mistake. It is easy to forget keywords when you're typing up HTML. There we go. Now, bam. So an evenly distributed 3. And then let's keep on going. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and pause it and just type up the rest. All right, so 1 second, I'll be back. All right, so I go ahead and typed it all up to save time. So we have 12, 3, 9, 4, 8, 10, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, and it all looks like, oops, sorry, looks like that. And as you can see, when you minimize it, it all kind of flows. It's very flexible, and at a certain point, boom, it becomes very, very mobile friendly. And it all just kind of goes up and down vertical. So yeah, and that's it. That's grid layout. So I hope you enjoyed this session, and definitely take advantage of this. It is a very easy and simple way to lay out your site. You don't have to worry about floating because all that's taken care of here. You don't have to worry about is it aligned? Is it going to be flexible, mobile? This media query right here takes care of your mobile development needs. Yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something, and see you next time.